Today I'm going to be doing lesson 121 for red group, which is going to be making an array. So I'm going to do a couple of problems first before we get on to the worksheet that goes along with lesson 121. So when we are looking at an array, it kind of looks like a marching band because everyone who's walking in the parade is in a line or in a row, and it's all concise and neat and together. So for my first array, we're going to look at this one together. So how many tiles is it across? Can you count how many tiles? If you said 4, good job. So on the top, I'm going to put the number 4. Tell me the length of how tall this array is. How many blocks do you see? 2. Good job. A 2 by 4 because it's 2 blocks tall and 4 blocks wide. Count all of the blocks together. How many blocks are in this array? 8. Good job. So in the middle of my array, I'm going to put the number 8. Just like this. Okay, we're going to do one more problem together, and then we're going to work on the worksheet. So I have the next array ready to go, and I'm going to show you it now. Can you tell me how many tiles long or wide this array is? 4. Good job. So I wrote my 4 down. How many tiles tall is this array? Good job. 3. So I have a 3 by 4 array. Now, tell me how many tiles are inside the box or the array? 12. Good job. So I'm going to write 12 inside my array. Okay, now we're going to start working on the sheet together. So for this sheet, you'll need your paper, and then you will also need an orange crayon or marker, a red crayon or marker, and a yellow crayon or marker. So get those out, and then let's get ready to go. Tiles A, we are going to do a 2 by 3 array. I know that there are more tiles than needed, but that's okay. We're just going to fill in the ones that we need. And first, we're going to use a red crayon. So I'm going to color in 2 squares, so 2 rows, so 1, 2. I'm going to color in the 2 rows, and then I need to color 3 across. So I have 3 wide and 2 tall. Okay, so I colored in my squares. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pencil and I'm going to put 2 on this side because it's 2 tall, and then I'm going to put 3 on top because it's 3 wide. Just like this. Now, let's count how many tiles are inside the array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 tiles that make up the array. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a number 6 in the middle of my array. Just like that, I put a big giant 6. This time, you will need an orange crayon. And the array this time is going to be a 4 by 2. So it's going to be 4 tall and 2 wide. So I would start out with the number 4 first. So color in 4 tiles, and then go 2. So you already have 1 colored in, you just need another one to make 2. So your array should look like this. It is a 4 by 2. Now we're going to do the same thing we did where we're going to label our sides. So we're going to start off with 4, and we're going to put that on the wide side or the long side, the tall side. So we're going to put a 4, and then after that on the tall side, the wide side, we're going to put a 2. So it'll look like this. Next, we're going to count up all of the tiles together, and we're going to put the number of how many tiles are in there in the box or in the array. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 tiles that make up the array. So I'm going to write that in my array now. Okay, there we go. And now on to letter C. For letter C, it is going to be a 3 by 5. So, and lastly, I'm going to use my yellow crayon. So, I'm going to start out with doing 3 first. So I'm going to make it 3 blocks tall. 1, 2, 3. And then I need to go over 5 blocks. And you're counting in the block that you just colored. So just remember that. So here is my 3 by 5 array. Now we're going to label it again, and we're going to start off with 3, and we're going to put it on the tall side. So we're going to put 3 because that's how tall it is. And then we're going to put 5 on top. So it's a 3 by 5 array. Now we're going to count how many tiles are inside this array. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So inside my array, I'm going to make the number 15 because that's how many tiles are inside this array. All right. And that is it for this lesson. Start side A and side B and your supplemental, and I will see you tomorrow.